So, this is a video of Henry making a haystack in the Australian wilderness. We're in a national park in Camper's Kitchen, and we've got everything we need, plus some sweet chili sauce, because it wouldn't be Australia without sweet chili sauce. How do you think your stack's going to turn out?
I don't know. It's been a while since I've had to make one.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
What do you reckon? What do you reckon it's been since you left Canada?
Yeah. Yeah, I guess we had some before I left. But I don't know. It's a challenge. I haven't watched your video much enough.
You haven't?
No.
Gotta watch the tutorial.
Yeah.
So we've got everything except salsa, because salsa in Australia, no offense to Australians if they're present, is terrible. So we've gone with the hot chili sauce and tomatoes, and of course olives, cucumber, onion, you know, all your standard. Cottage cheese is a little different here. It's like creamier. I think we've got everything. Nothing's missing except for maple beans.
Maple beans are missing. I got barbecue sauce.
Barbecue sauce beans. That's right. Yeah. Looking like it's coming along. Right? Shine your light on. Yeah. That's gonna be beautiful.
Oh, that's pretty sad.
What? No. It's gonna be great. Look at this. We're in the wilderness here. Look at it. Oh, the kangaroos are gone. They were here. Let me take a video. Oh, and that's the beach. Right over there. I don't know if you can see it, but it's gorgeous. Right. Bye for now.